Hey friends, I'll be straight with you. I got into this whole crypto thing completely backwards. Didn't start because I was chasing returns or read some article about it. A platform straight up scammed me first, before I even properly understood what I was dealing with. Lost a chunk of money, got angry, and then instead of walking away, I just dug in. Started actually learning how this stuff works because I needed to understand how I got played. That was a few years ago now, and I guess the silver lining is I came out the other side knowing this space pretty well. Still skeptical of basically everything, but at least it's informed skepticism at this point. So, Flash BTC has been my go-to for the past couple months, and what keeps me coming back is genuinely just reliability. Not flashy features, not promises, just the platform doing exactly what it said it would do every single time I've used it. No surprises buried in the fine print, and no functionality that quietly stopped working one day. In a landscape where that's apparently too much to ask for most services, it matters.
So let's walk through it. You land on the platform, and the first decision is package selection. 4 options in front of you, each with its own price point and recommended use case. So I'm ticking this one here. Good. Now, setting visibility duration. Scale runs from 1 hour up to 7 days, going with 24 hours for what I'm showing today. Okay, moving on. Selecting the network. Good. Then inputting the target address. So I'm switching to my wallet, copying my BTC address, coming back here, pasting it in. Yep, that's right. Then hitting Buy BTC to proceed. Good, there's the payment screen. 2 options sitting there, Direct Send or Wallet Connection. I'm going Direct Send because it's more straightforward to watch. So I'm selecting the coin most convenient to pay for me. And 0.5 BTC are deployed. Just need a few minutes for balance confirmation to come through.
So, while that processes, the thing that keeps me on this platform specifically is verifiable blockchain activity. Not internal metrics, not numbers their own system generated. Actual on-chain deployment you can independently check through any public explorer. I pull that up every single time. If a platform's transactions aren't showing up on public explorers that anyone can access, then whatever their dashboard is displaying is just fiction. How I got to this point? Honestly, I got taken apart a few times before it clicked. First loss was early on, classic mistake, trusted a platform based on how it looked rather than how it verified. Second time around, I thought I was being smarter, checked their dashboard numbers, everything tracked, but I never stepped outside their ecosystem to verify anything independently. Gone. And look, the reason this is so hard to navigate is that the bad ones have genuinely figured out presentation, polished interfaces, detailed documentation, fast support responses, even fake community presence. None of that filters anything out anymore.
The only thing that consistently separates real from fake is on-chain verification through sources completely outside their control. That's the check that can't be faked. Alright guys, description has the link if you want to explore it, but I want to be clear about something before you close out of this. Nothing I've said here should be the thing that makes up your mind. Not my experience, not my results, not the fact that it's worked for me over 2 months. The only version of this that actually means anything is the version you test yourself. Minimum tier, independent verification, enough time to see how it really behaves before you put anything meaningful into it. Every platform reveals itself eventually, good or bad. The only way to find out which one you're dealing with is to run it yourself and see. That's just how it works.